In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use snippets in Shopify. Snippets are small, reusable pieces of Liquid and HTML that help you keep your theme clean, consistent, and easier to maintain. Think of them like building blocks you can drop into different parts of your store without rewriting the same code over and over. First, head to Shopify.com and sign in to your admin. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. From the left-hand sidebar, open Online Store, then choose Themes. This is where your published theme and any drafts live. Next, open the three dots menu on your current theme. Before you make any code changes, duplicate the theme. This creates a safe backup so you can experiment without affecting your live store. It only takes a moment and it can save a lot of headaches if you ever need to roll back. After the duplicate is created, click the three dots menu again and choose Edit Code. This opens the theme code editor, where all your theme files are organized into folders like layout, templates, templates, sections, assets, and snippets. Now create a place for your snippet. Click Add a new file. If prompted for a file type, choose a snippet so it's stored in the snippets folder. You'll be asked to name it. Give it a clear, descriptive name that reflects what it does, such as promo banner or product badge. Shopify will add the .liquid extension automatically, so you don't need to type that yourself. Using simple, lowercase, hyphenated names makes your code easier to find later. With your new snippet file open, type your snippet code here. This is where you add the HTML and Liquid logic you want to reuse. Keep it focused on a single purpose, like a callout, a trust badge, or a custom price label. You can add basic styling inline or reference classes that your theme already uses. If your snippet needs settings, you can read variables passed into it, which keeps it flexible across different pages. When you're done, click Save in the editor. At this point, your snippet is ready to be used throughout your theme. Because it lives in the snippets folder, it's easy to reference wherever you need it, helping you avoid duplicating the same code in multiple templates. A quick tip: document what your snippet expects, such as specific variables, right at the top in a comment, so future you or teammates know how to use it. That's it. You've opened your theme safely, created a snippet file, and added your reusable code, setting yourself up for cleaner, faster Shopify development.